Welcome back to the Celtic Farm, the go-to spot for all things gardening. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, often overlooked by gardeners: the importance of giving your plants enough space. As green thumbs, we often concentrate on ensuring our plants get ample sunlight, water, and nutrients. But have you ever stopped to consider the importance of space? Just as we humans need room to grow and thrive, so do our leafy friends. When plants are too crowded, they have to compete for these vital resources, leading to poor growth and health. So, let's delve deeper and find out why space is key to a vibrant garden. Consider the roots, your plant's lifeline. In the bustling world beneath the soil, roots are the silent heroes, tirelessly working to absorb water and nutrients necessary for your plant's survival. But what happens in a crowded garden? Picture a bustling city during rush hour with everyone jostling for space. That's what it's like for roots in an overcrowded garden. They entangle, they fight, and they struggle, all for a sip of water or a taste of nutrient. This competition hampers their ability to grow and absorb efficiently, leading to stunted plant growth and poor health. Now imagine the same city, but with fewer people. There's more room to move, less competition. That's the difference space makes. Proper spacing allows roots to spread out, to breathe, to absorb the water and nutrients without fighting for it. It's like giving each root its own personal buffet of what it needs to help your plants thrive. So remember, the next time you're planting, give your roots some room to roam. Proper spacing allows roots to spread and absorb what they need for healthy growth. Plants crammed together struggle for sunlight, vital for photosynthesis. Imagine a plant as a solar panel, soaking up the sun's energy to convert it into food. When plants are too close, they cast shadows on each other, reducing the amount of sunlight each plant can absorb. Now let's talk air circulation. Just as you and I need air to breathe, plants need air movement for a healthy life. Air circulation helps moderate temperature and humidity levels, and it also aids in the prevention of diseases. When plants are packed too close, air cannot circulate freely. This leads to a rise in humidity levels, which can increase the risk of fungal diseases. It's a bit like being stuck in a crowded room with no ventilation. Not very comfortable, is it? The same goes for your plants. So remember, spacious planting ensures adequate sunlight and airflow. Overcrowding creates a haven for pests and diseases. Picture this. A lush, dense garden may seem like a paradise, but it's more like a party for pests and a playground for disease. When plants are crammed together, they create a moist, shaded environment. And you know who loves that? Fungi and bacteria. They thrive in these conditions, leading to a variety of plant diseases. Then there are the pests. Aphids, slugs, and other unwelcome guests find it easier to move from plant to plant when they're all squeezed together. It's like a buffet for bugs. But there's a solution: spacing your plants properly. This not only reduces the risk of pests and disease, but also makes it easier for you to spot any problems early on. So remember, a little breathing room goes a long way in keeping your garden healthy. By spacing plants properly, you enhance pest management and overall plant health. Improving air circulation is simple yet effective. One way to achieve this is through regular pruning, which reduces the density of your plants, allowing air to move freely among them. This is especially important in hot, humid climates, where stagnant air can lead to a buildup of moisture on plant surfaces, creating an ideal environment for fungal diseases. Another method is mindful spacing. By giving each plant its own breathing space, you're promoting better airflow, which helps to keep the foliage dry and reduces the chances of diseases spreading from one plant to another. This isn't just about keeping your plants healthy. Good air circulation can actually boost their growth and productivity too. So remember to prune regularly and space your plants wisely, reducing moisture buildup and related issues like mold and bacterial growth. Remember, different plants have different space needs. It's not just about what looks good or what grows fastest. It's about understanding each plant's unique requirements. Some plants, like tomatoes and peppers, need plenty of room to grow, while others, like herbs, can thrive in closer quarters. Consider the mature size of the plants. A tiny seedling might look lost in a large space, but give it a season or two, and it might take over, crowding out its neighbors. Also, think about the plant's growth pattern. Some plants grow vertically, taking up more space upwards rather than sideways. Others, like sprawling vines or ground covers, need plenty of horizontal space to spread out. And lastly, don't forget to check the plant tags or do a quick online search. They'll usually give you a good idea of how much space the plant needs to grow healthy and strong. Read labels for spacing guidelines and consider growth patterns while planning your garden layout. There you have it, folks. Giving your plants the space they need is as crucial as watering and sunlight. Today, we've learned about the importance of space for root growth and nutrient absorption, the role of proper spacing in ensuring adequate sunlight and air circulation, the perils of overcrowding, and how to choose the right plants considering their specific space needs. Now that you're equipped with these insights, we hope you'll implement them in your garden for healthier, happier plants. Remember, a well-spaced garden is a thriving garden, so let's prevent that rumble in the jungle. Until our next gardening adventure, keep those plants spaced and happy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening. Follow us on our various social media platforms for daily gardening inspiration, and join our growing community of plant enthusiasts. We're always here to help cultivate your green thumb and make your garden a haven for you and your plants. Until next time, keep your garden thriving, and remember, space is the final frontier, even in gardening. And